Hello, my friends, and welcome back. Thank you very much for being with me again today. I found two contradicting articles from Russia Today, but it doesn't really matter because it's not the information is global and it's not about the war in Ukraine. It's about the cryptocurrencies. I have friends who invested in cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin and others, and some of them are upset, some of them were happy, and I have two articles. I'm going to show them to you. I'm going to read both of them. They're not long. I'm not going to take too much time reading them, but I want to understand why this is possible in the same time. So let me show you like this. So one is, let me show you, this is from Russia Today, and I was looking for this article, majority of cryptocurrencies, and I was aware of the other one that came in the 14th of January, right here. So it says Bitcoin projected to smash $100,000 this year. Approval by US regulators to exchange trade funds that invest directly in world's top crypto could reportedly drive up the price. That's one. And then we got the other one right there. Majority of cryptocurrencies dead. CoinGecko. The data shows that the digital assets most vulnerable to extinction are those launched during bullish periods. So let's start with this one first, and then we're going to go to the other one. Today, okay. So approval by pop-up, we already got that one. Bitcoin could surge to record heights this year following a landmark approval of the first ever spot Bitcoin exchange trade fund, ETF, by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, according to a report by CNBC. ETFs allow more retail investors to hold Bitcoin indirectly via a shared trade on a stock exchange. The SEC on Wednesday approved rule changes to allow the creation of the ETFs, but said the move should in no way signal the Commission's willingness to approve listing standards for crypto asset securities. Well, as long as they don't, the point here is who controls what? If the right people control that, then they will make everything legal. If they don't control, the right people don't control that, they will not make it legal, or make it not legal, but give it a boost. So, several crypto experts confirmed to CNBC this week the move would diversify the range of investors that can gain exposure to the cryptocurrency. And I'm quoting, I think this is a really big breakthrough for Bitcoin as a digital asset. It's a much broader story to digital property in general. Founder Skybridge Capital Scaramucci, oh my God, this guy again, told the outlet. I was wondering, why were you talking about this guy? The Trump administration had this guy over there, and people ask him questions. Why? He's the founder of Skybridge Capital. I think Bitcoin will probably see its all-time high at the end of the year and is likely to go through its all-time high by the end of the year. Well, I don't think so, but we'll see. Scaramucci went on saying, could Bitcoin be $100,000, which is more or a little bit more than double over the next year? I do believe that, and he shares it with us. Okay, yes. I have been wrong so many times before. Okay, he's got his safety parachute. And this guy says, worthless Bitcoin, a tool for criminals, JPMorgan Boss. So he doesn't own that. He's not in charge of that yet. The second this guy or JP Morgan will be the boss of the Bitcoin, that's not going to be a worthless and for criminal. I mean, worthless. It's going to be very important. I guarantee you that. So let's go back to the other article and see how come these guys are dead here. The majority of cryptocurrencies. Russia Today, 21st of January 2024. The data shows that the digital assets most vulnerable to extinction are those launched during bullish periods. Over 50% of all cryptocurrencies listed on the CoinGecko platform since 2014 have failed. According to new analysis compiled by the company this week, many of the ones that have gone defunct emerged during market bull runs. Of the 24,000 tokens that have ever appeared on the platform, a staggering 14,039 are no longer operating, the data shows. CoinGecko used 3 metrics to consider a token dead: no trade activity in the past 30 days, projects revealed to be scams or rug pulls, and when a project requested to be deactivated. The majority of the deceased digital assets emerged during the 2020-2021 bull run. The 7,530 now defunct cryptocurrencies that were launched during this period accounted for 53.6% of the total on CoinGecko. In comparison, during the 2017 bull market, just over 1,450 of the roughly 3,000 projects launched have since shut down. And I'm quoting, "The high number of dead coins during the 2020-2021 period can be attributed to the case of deploying tokens and the rise in popularity of meme coins. CoinGecko wrote," and I'm quoting again. "However, many meme coins projects launched without a product, with the majority being abandoned after a short period of time," it added. The research showed that cryptocurrencies launched in 2021 have suffered the worst rate of failure, with 5,724 having already gone defunct, making it the worst year for launchers. The following year saw a 60% crypto failure rate, with 3,520 projects going extinct. So far, only 289 out of the over 4,000 cryptocurrencies listed in 2023 have been deactivated, representing a failure rate of less than 10%. However, it remains to be seen if this rate will hold as time passes. Well, I'm not an expert in cryptocurrencies whatsoever. As I said, I have friends, I read about it, I was interested in it, but it's too volatile for me. I think that assets, hard assets, are the ones that should be, and I'm not giving here an advice, I'm just giving you my direct experience. And not only that, but the knowledge that I have is well known. The information that I got is well known, so it's not like something I'm a wizard or something. It is properties, land, gold. These are the ones that you will protect your investment. The rest with the stock market, comes and goes. Yes, it goes 6% and so on. But the thing is, you don't really have time to have a little bubble bursting and then lose everything. The properties, yeah, but gold, different story. Nevertheless, here is with the Bitcoin, as I said, with cryptocurrencies, don't know, I would say, much about it. I know the basics. I don't invest in it. I have friends. And I wish you all the luck in the world with that one. Remember, when the crooks will get in charge of that, then you're going to see something. When they get control, they have to get some taxes out of it, or they have a monopoly on it, then you're going to have a little boost. Then they take over, and then you're at 6% of everything else. Thank you very much for being with me again today. Stay strong, stay smart, look for the truth, and be just.